My name's Sahai. I'm a freshman here at Cathedral, and I went to Mount Pleasant Christian Academy in Harlem. The people here, the girls, they're really open and friendly, and they just made it easier for me to talk to them. And I guess the girls here made it better for me as a transition. My favorite class would be with Mr. Tropiano. It's living environment. The way he teaches it's easier for me to comprehend. I take Mandarin here at Cathedral. Some of the things we've learned are different countries. So for example, America would be 美国, England would be Ingwa, Dominican Republic, the Jaren. How I would say my name in Mandarin is 我叫美花, which is in translation, my name is Pretty Flower. I'm on the softball team here at Cathedral and I play outfield. I was also in the billiards club with Mr. Muldoon and Mark, and that was a lot of fun too. I got a lot better at the game and I'm able to beat my mom now, so that's a thumbs up.